This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, the 4th of September. I'm Michael Groff. The weather drying out and warming up here across the southwest and in the valley over the next several days. Is the monsoon gone for good here in 2018? That's the big question we've been asking for a little while around here. And all eyes in the weather world are turning toward the tropics as they're getting very active. So we'll talk about all of that and much more. First, we'll look at the almanac from yesterday. 99 degrees, the high in the valley after a morning low of 74. Thanks to some morning rain, 1900ths of an inch officially in the bucket at Sky Harbor. Outside right now here at 5:15 a.m. We've got mostly clear skies to start this day, 82 degrees at Sky Harbor presently. Dew points at 57, humidity 42%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures across south central Arizona this morning, mid-70s in the cool spots, low 80s here for us in the urban core. The upper look across the country, a baggy trough out here in the west, and that's been responsible for our unsettled weather over the last few days, ridging over the east coast and our tropical system in the Gulf. The watch warning map, flash flood watches across parts of the nation's midsection. We have heat advisories in the northeast and the Gulf Coast. That's where the hurricane warnings exist from parts of Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. Tropical storm warnings bookend that on the east and west sides. The latest advisory on Gordon now. Maximum sustained wind 65 miles per hour. It is anticipated to strengthen to a minimal hurricane later today before making landfall on the Mississippi coast tonight and into tomorrow morning. Expect around 4 to 6 inches of rain in a fairly broad swath as this moves inland over much of Mississippi, Arkansas, and northward toward Missouri over the next few days. Rainfall in our part of the world for the next 7 days, certainly nothing like that. Around 1/10 of an inch across northern and eastern Arizona, but here in the valley, it looks like practically nothing for at least the next week or so. We'll get into the details of our weather now as we check out the models. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. Troughing here over the southwest. The main axis to our east, down at the surface today, mostly sunny this morning, partly sunny this afternoon. Highs today here in Phoenix, 98 to 102. Widely scattered showers and thunderstorms over the higher terrain, and I guess one or two of those could pop up over the deserts, but I think our chance of rain here in the valley is much less than 10% today. Tonight, mostly clear skies, lows in the 70s and low 80s. Tomorrow, mostly sunny, a little warmer, highs 101 to 104. Thursday, 102 to 105, mostly sunny skies. Same thing on Friday. Saturday, around 104 to 107. That should be the warmest day of the forecast period. And then Sunday, 103 to 106. And the sky continues mostly sunny. Monday, 101 to 104, continued mostly sunny skies. The ridge begins to slide back off toward the east. We see that trend continuing as we go to a week from today. This is Tuesday, the 11th of September. Latest run of the GFS has the ridge now over the Four Corners region. Maybe a little bit of return moisture comes in here. So isolated showers and storms could return to the eastern mountains. But right now, I think the valley is going to stay dry. A lot of question marks out here toward the middle part of next week, though. Here's Wednesday, the 12th rather, and then the end of the forecast period, Thursday, the 13th of September. And that looks like a little bit of moisture could get back into the southwest. Is that the return of the monsoon or one last gasp? Certainly we can see those in September from time to time. So we can't rule it out, but it's 8 to 10 days out now. So we're not going to get too concerned about that just yet. Let's check the numbers coming off the GFS ensemble through the period. It looks like high temperatures a little bit above average for early to middle September. And then gradually we'll see those temps trending down as we go further on into the month, and that looks good. That's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Your comments, questions, suggestions, always encouraged as well. Be safe out there, stay cool, and have yourselves a fantastic Tuesday.